guys? 252 days of trading, day 39. In the same clothes as yesterday. I got home pretty late and just barely slept. Working more as usual. Heading to good old Turlock. We had 2 San Francisco drops and 2 Sacramento drops we just did. And it went pretty smoothly. Got to the first place an hour late. Got to the last place right on time. So, they moved pretty quick. At the last facility, though, had a little hiccup. I never been there. I drove into it, and I guess they told me, oh, you need to back into the facility because there's no way for you to turn around. I go, well, that puts me in an awful pickle, really, because could not back up out of there. It'd be really, I can obviously, but it was a little difficult, and it involved me backing up into a street from where I entered, and then I was pretty pinched, so I had a lot of cars waiting for me. It was under a lot of I felt really rushed, even though I wasn't, looking back on it now. And I saw a car parked on the side of the street that I was really close to, and I'm watching it very closely. I'm backing out. I got it backed out nicely. I'm parked up, but my trailer's right up against the car. I'm talking within an inch. And anyone that's a trucker knows that if you drive out of there and take too sharp a turn, so that the car was on my right side, the passenger side, back side of the trailer, and I made a hard left out of there. And when you make a hard left, if it's not a nice rotation with your truck and you go too tight, your trailer has to compensate for that, and it sure as hell did, and ripped that dude's bumper off. So I'll put a picture of that right now in front, but thought that was pretty funny. Not pretty funny, but a driver came out and was upset with me. He goes, yo, did you do that? Not yo, he didn't say you did that. He goes, yo, look what you did. I go, yep, that was all me. Good job. That's what happened. I don't know what you want me to say. It happened. I mean, that's my second biggest accident in 7 years, so I'll take it. That wasn't even $1,000 of damage, maybe $500 to $600 that the insurance would cover. My biggest was something else, and I'll save that for another time, and it wasn't even that much more. It was like $3,000 back when I first started. But anyways, yeah, I thought that was funny, that guy's response. He started shaking his head, and I was like, motherfudger, come on, what do you have to do with any of this? You're giving your opinion. I guess nothing to help the situation, and no one cares for it. But other than that, yeah, we're gonna head to Ripon Pilot real quick. I'm gonna get me a ice cup since there's no fridge in this truck, and then gonna head to Turlock. Probably be at Turlock around 12:30. It's a 3:50 appointment, so we get to chill for 3 hours. Don't mind if I do. Gotta sleep. Your boy's tired. And when I get there, I'm gonna get to the charts instantly. Make a quick charting video. See how our levels did. Another little outro clip with me, and we'll call it there, boys. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. All right, I'm looking at this chart. These prices right now, pretty insane. NQ and ES are down a lot, it seems. So let's look at MNQ right now. I don't think I have any of these levels marked. Yeah. Jeez, no way. Holy. So let's go to the 1 hour. Just on the 1 hour, we could see here, it tried to hit that level for sure as much as it can. It went slightly over this 50 EMA. Right when you see it close under it, I mean, what on earth? High and low, open, close, 300-point sell-off right here at 6 a.m. it kind of bounced around for a bit. It dipped a bit right here. What did it dip to? About 2,900. And then boom, another fat sell-off of 170, followed by another 230 sell-off. Holy. I'm kind of lost for words. We opened up at the high 21,380 and lows 21,582. 800 point swing today. Holy. That is insane for NQ. We're going to have to make new levels for sure. I'm going to do... Yeah, I don't even know. Let's see, when did it last come down here? Yeah, there's no levels for a bit. Okay, so we're kind of at a level area over here. So just based off this right now, I'd say something like this is a level. 2661 I could see. Then coming down, let's see some levels right here at 2530. Wow. So yeah, we got more downside. We might see 20,000. Who knows? That is insane. Let's go to ES now. ES, we're down 87 points, basically a $9 move. Let's see how I respected our levels on the hourly. You can see it from the 24th, just not entirely bouncing all the way up off these levels. It ripped through it, came down, broke through it, rode its way all the way up and touched the level 3 times, rejected down through that level again, ripped up, and just ripped on down. And look at the fat sell-off. Holy. Open, close, 45 point sell-off here into a, what is that, 19, 7, 23, 41. Holy, so many points sell-off in the last, between 11 and 12. Wow. Which is, I mean, if you look at this all the way from up here when it first started selling off on the 21st, that 50 EMA, it didn't touch it up until yesterday, at 7 a.m. And once it did, it ripped through a bit, hit the level, and then it tried it again, went over it, and as soon as it fell under there and closed, would have been nice to just, it closed under it. All right, let's buy in when it touches on the retest right there. 59.92. Wow, it would have been a 108 point move. Things like this, you just gotta have skin in the game for, you know? It is what it is. Gotta get us some nice charting done this weekend, though. Well, we still got tomorrow to check how she does, but... Well, maybe we could chart some, actually. Let's do it. We'll do a quick chart on the... Let's go to the daily. Let's just get some daily levels, because there's just too much noise right here. Okay, so... on the daily, let's see. What do we see and like? Already, I like just quick levels. We're gonna see how it's respected in tomorrow. I like this right here. Yeah, I like this. That's hard. Kind of like this more. Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna make that red for the daily. And then coming down, let's see, what else do we have? This isn't terrible. 5843. I mean, it's not perfect. It never is. It never can be like crazy perfect, but what we could do is try our best. So I like this right here. Oh yeah. It's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches almost. That's pretty good. And then we'll get a couple more. I'll do right here. 58. And then one more down here.
right here at 57.39. God dang it, I can't move it. There we go. I guess right here, 57.40-ish. And I'll do one last one just because I see this right here. There's some nice levels right here. Went on for a few days. Oh, this might be the gap fill, honestly. Look at this. It's a gap. Yeah, that's a nice 56.38 if we come down there. Now let's do the MNQ real quick on the daily. Get us some levels down there. Right here we have oh yeah, right here. No questions asked, 6:30. I'm gonna just draw the horizontal line so I could start moving it. Let's see, what do we like here? Do we like this? 344. Yeah, I like that. And then we'll do another one. Definitely right here. Right there, I'd say. That 20,000 mark. Yeah, I could just make that 20,000-ish. Take it a little earlier. Right there. And we'll do one more. There's a little baby gap right there. Nothing crazy, but something to consider. Oh, this 579 looks nice. You can see that right there. Look at all those touches on the left side. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that'll do it, boys. And then this Sunday we'll revise it again just to see how the levels play off of it, and add gold if we have the time. Let's get it. Back to laying down at good old Turlock. Out of door. Had a 4 p.m. appointment. Thought I'd be able to sleep. Been working since 11 p.m. It's 2 p.m. now, and what do you know? They take me early. They take me 3 hours early the day I don't want them to, but hey, you can't complain, right? That's about it. Levels are leveling. Sad we had that short live on the live account, but I've done a lot of thinking and I'm not giving up on the live account grind yet. I'm gonna stick with it, try it again, and just try to be in a better, I gotta make a nice checklist. It's gonna be a while, so it might be till like next Friday or Thursday it clears. We'll see, but I'm gonna put money in, just 1,000 this time, and if I could keep the 1,000 in there until I get paid again in mid-March, I'll add more to it. And we're gonna have rules that we're gonna talk about on Sunday as far as entering. There's gonna be the 3 to 4 confluences we look for. There's gonna be, I want to say, daily payouts if they're big enough days. I know they charge $30 per withdrawal, so it kind of influences you to keep the money in there, but then makes it a little harder because you have that money in there and you could risk it, so it's scary. But you know, if we have a $800 plus day, taking out half of it, building the account by 400 plus, and pocketing 370 is amazing W. You know, like that $1,100 day we had the day one, I should have pulled out 600 of it. It would have cost me 30. I would have made 570 in my pockets. The account would have grew 500. You know, would have been happy. But little things like that, you got to live and learn. I mean, just got to calm down and settle down when I'm, you know, doing my trading. I get out of pocket so quick. So I'm working on it. It's, you know, it's hard to keep that streak going of discipline, but just got to keep at it, and I know I'll get it. But Other than that, boys, it's been a longer video, so I'm gonna just cut it short. No rambling. Much love. Like, comment, subscribe, and y'all take it easy. Peace.